Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a fish fillet with sweet corn and asparagus. All ingredients below in my info box. We're gonna be using fish fillet, and just in case I will use only one fillet for me and for my husband, half and half. We are also going to use asparagus, sweet corn, and I buy them with these leaves, and now we are going to peel them. We are gonna be using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, basil, and vegetable oil. In a frying pan with the water, we are going to cook the sweet corn on a medium heat. In another pan, we are going to cook the asparagus, just add the water and cook the asparagus until they have a perfect green color and they are soft. Now I'm going to cook the fish fillet. We are adding salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and basil. Let it cook on both sides. And now it's time to serve. And here you have the food. It's delicious, simple, and healthy. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes, but she has her own videos every Saturday. Please follow her here on my channel. And right here you have my social media. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.